Yo, 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 it's your boy, Cheggery. And we're about to play this game. Such art's the name, drawn art's the game. New game, let's get it started. Uh-oh. I'm a he. My inspired name. I'd have to say my name would have to be... I like how it's peaking. I know I'm getting in your ears when I'm peaking like this on the microphone. My name's going to be Golgadir. I admit it. We just been playing with you, man. All right. The year is 2130, and you have just received the results of your professional compatibility DNA test. Your genome indicates that you have a rare artistic talent. For decades, art has been largely dominated by robots and other AI. But in these times of artistic perfection and homogeneity, the world of art has become stale and in need of a renewal. It is time for you to act. You have been assigned a studio on board the ISC. You can fully express your artistic self. That's sick, man. It's like Dyson Spear program. Shout out to Dyson Spear program, man. As on Earth, the threat of a robotic revolt is rising. An alien species, the Krabiks, covet the planet's saltwater. Only you can decide what to paint on your next canvas. That's a sick backstory, man. Wow, this is sick, dude. Oh, my new studio, apartment 864-3. All right, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we're going down there. I like the music. Sounds like, oh, it's the only one. 1, 2, 3. It's the only one I didn't choose. Oh, how do you draw? Oh, it's E. Thigh box. Welcome to your new studio, dear sir. I am Aiko. You've been registered with the talent development program. The studio is still these boxes are everywhere. Is that normal? I don't want this trash. Is there a trash can? I am Aiko. I also, dear sir, some equipment could not be installed. Okay. Jay, like the sound of notification, check your email. That's what I'm at. Congrats. Plus gift. Dear big brother, I already got some artistic gene. Meanwhile, yesterday for my birthday, I didn't get anything from you. So you can paint me something. I want a beautiful painting of a unicorn with plenty of colors. Okay. Where do I paint this? But I'll paint something. See, buddy. So it's got to be unicorn. Send your large size paintings. Okay, so this is the paint, I guess. Oh. You can move the platform up and down with this. Oh, this. Ooh! That's sick. Oh, look. Hamburger. Berg. Earth, among things. That's sick. You look malnourished. Let's get some bread. Ooh, sponge, baby. I'm going to keep this one on me. Okay, so I need to make a unicorn. What is this? Is this spray paint? Whoa, that's sick. What? Ooh, that's nothing. Oh my god, press F. This is gonna look sick. That's some nice noise it got on it. That's not noise you got there. I don't want this trash, dude. Alright, well, let's get this horn on it. That's a sick unicorn. That's its tail. And that's its snout. Oh, wait, no, that's the head right here. Here's the head. And that's the horn. Oh, it's looking bad. That's supposed to be a nose. That's a nose, dude. Trust. That looks bad. Can we get this one out of here? That's not supposed to be anything. That's a nice unicorn. So, Kindle. That's sick. Punch. Oh, J. Oh, I did everything. Wow, dude. I just received my unicorn. I will name it Ragnarok. That's a nice name. Creator, dear sir, your creator's list of particularly if this cell works. In addition, a team of technicians. If I'm ready, unicorn. What a great name! I know I thought of it. Bye. I don't like. All right, let's go. I like this. This is good gameplay. What's new? J. 2 new pieces of equipment: a printer and a terminal. Print and paste small canvas. You can paint whatever you. All right, so I need to go print the small canvas. Oh, this is it. Dang! Oh, I said pick it up. Retrieve the exact color. These nuts. All right, printer. I'll just do smallest. I don't got that much money. Does it just... Oh, it just sticks. And then you can rotate it, I'm guessing. All right, so let's paint a nice sky and grass with some spindly trees. All right. So we're gonna need the big one. This one, like that. We'll just paint it. All right. Now we can go the wide one, probably something like this. And then we can rotate it. Yep, that's nice. They ain't listening. All right, now we're just gonna go for some nice spindly trees. the bigger the tree is, like the wider it is, that means it's closer. Excuse me, pardon me. That's sick, dude. I'd paint that. I put that on my wall. Let's get another color. Is there water? Ooh. Ooh, white, bruh. This is gonna look sick. Watch this. Oh my lord, dude. Can I like just keep that here? Oh, wait. Sold paintings aren't lost. All the paintings you saw are virtualized. Okay. I need a virtual thing. We'll sell it on the marketplace though. Look at that. That needs to be okay, just 100. Wait. How do I get in there? That's crazy. Cleaning simulator. J. All right, yeah, we got some gold. What's this? Why would you? Does the water get nasty? No, the water. Why would you fill it up? All right, do I have an email or something? Ah, 200. Okay. Yeah, U5X. I'm pleased to inform you. This time it is a new room. Zeep. I was just making the drill noises. Oh, it's. I can already see it. J. Make 2 paintings. Complete an order. Save 250. Something. Oh, wait. About the new technicians. I hope. Actually, I have no doubt. I will inform you that the next free visit. Their next free visit will be a virtual reality equipment. Sick. I sent you a gift. Okay. You will do this for me. I'm Trace. I love your art. I'd like a painting of jellyfish. I need it on a big canvas. Okay. Watch this. I'm gonna paint a freaking jellyfish. Oh, I'll just go on a 1. Black eyes on the jellyfish, and we need a blue background. All right. Ooh, I'd like a really light blue though. Oh shoot, there's more brushes. All right, I was also gonna get. Well, I was gonna get this and get green. Can I just? Well, I guess I can get another canvas and just. I'll just go get some of these little bottles. I need this. All right. And I don't want this. I want this. Holy, I'm gonna waste a lot of paint on this mug. It's even more. Holy. Oh my lord. Gamma! Actually, that's a sick effect right there where it's like going off. Totally. And then I'm gonna need. some sand. I mean, I guess we can get some white on there to make it look more sandy. Yeah, you see me. I'm an artist, boy. You see me, boy. All right, so it's gonna be, well, sand's not always even, so it's gonna be uneven. And now the sand's looking blue. What the H? There's a darker layer of sand, I guess. All right, now we get some seaweed coming up. We'll get now we get to get the jellyfish. So the jellyfish goes like this. I don't like how it's like freaking blending with the blue. All right. Oh, that's a little too small. That looks sick. That's going to trays. I'd hang that one up too. All right, let's clean off these walls, and I think that's it for today. It's a nice little start, I guess. Come on, get this paint out of here. Ain't nobody want no goddamn paint on the goddamn walls. I tell you what. Give me the goddamn paint out of here. I tell you, I don't want no goddamn paint. Come on, get off those goddamn walls. Where'd the sponge go? Oh my Lord Jesus, I'm gonna get you some paint off these walls. Holy. All right, and then I lied. We're also gonna clean off the brushes. I'm really proud of myself for discovering that technique. Ugh. All right, so yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, I guess. See ya.